Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. Today I wanted to talk about how to correct your push-up form.
He looks like he's struggling. Perhaps he needs a hand.
I bet you a lot of you didn't even know that it was incorrect in the first place, but doing it incorrectly could lead to some very, very, very bad things. Like headaches, neck pain, herniated discs, shoulder pain, back pain, even regurgitation and GERD and reflux. Ugh. So stay tuned and we'll prevent these things from happening by doing a push-up correctly. All right, so doing the correct push-up requires a few steps in the sequence. First is where you put your elbows. You want to tuck those elbows in. And then what you want is the elbow windows to face towards your nose in a push-up, whether you're doing it against the wall or a modified one on the ground or a full one. And then what you have to do, most importantly, is after you've made placement of your hands on the ground, you're gonna put pressure this way, almost like lobster claws. You want to press that into the wall and put pressure this way. Now, the last step and most important step to get your core engaged is to get your shoulder blades out. You want to keep that out and then maintained, and then you don't want to just do this. You want to keep that maintained and lower with your body. You want to lower with your body. So it's not just these, whatever the heck these things are, some kind of New Kids on the Block move or something like that.
New Kids on the Block.
I don't even like them.
So we don't need that. We just want to keep that all in one place. So let's get to it. So once again, I'm keeping my elbows narrow. I'm keeping the windows up so we can use this as wall push-ups. And then I'm starting to see, you can see right here that these are a little bit white in my pressure and this. So, and then what you want to do is as you go in, I'm using my body, not this. It's not this. So I'm keeping that body there and I'm leaning through or tilting, whatever you want to call it, through that. So this maintains, it doesn't go this. That's the incorrect way. And what you want to do is keep that shoulder blade locked out and lean with your body. That's the correct and safest way to do your push-ups. So once again, pressure through here, elbows, windows up, narrow, keep that shoulder blade fanned out, and use the rest of your body, lean in. All right, so hopefully you gave this sequencing of this push-up a fair shot. I know we did it against the wall, we did it modified a little bit, but this is something that you want to do slowly, and you want to make sure if you can't do it on the ground fully, I'm still working that up. Check with your healthcare professional, make sure it is a safe exercise for you, and we'd love your feedback, comments below that you tried this, it made a big difference, you felt it in all the right places. Yeah, like this definitely, what, is there a song like that? Feel in all the right places? I don't know, something like that. So I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.